happy time for us at Acer because this is now the 210th store that we have opened, and we had fixed up a plan for this year to go up to about 325. So I think we look to be on course to be able to do it. Still more happy that it is happening in the city where our corporate office is, which is in Bangalore, and that too at the best of the places, which is Mall of Asia. And we are not only displaying the notebooks, the IT part of it, but also the newly launched consumer electronics products of Acer Pure. So I'm really excited and happy that we are doing it at this particular stage for this particular mall. Harish Kohli, President and Managing Director of Acer India, Acer Pure and Altos India. I think that's something which the team will do as far as the inaugural offer is concerned.
Yeah, I am Sanjeev Mehtani. I look after sales for Acer India, Bangladesh and Bhutan. It's a very happy feeling. Always, every shop where we are connecting more with the customers. Point number one. Point number two, our visibility is increasing day by day, which helps us actually selling more and more and going nearer to the customer. So that is a very good feeling, reaching out to the customer.
My name is Gaurav Jain. I am the director for this Maxware Technology Private Limited. This is our second store. First store is there in Koramangala, and this is our second store which we have opened in Mall of Asia. And we are planning another 5-6 store more with Acer across in the Bangalore and maybe some other cities also. So we have very good relations with Acer India. So we'll grow together with the Acer. They are launched with the new consumer product with the all new technologies like a consumer durable product. So that also we are planning to bring it here. Yeah, one more showroom we will plan, and we do lot with Acer, and we are happy to work with Acer. Thanks.
ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ಭೂಮಿ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ. ಈಗಷ್ಟೇ ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಇಂಟರ್ವ್ಯೂ ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಎಸ್, ಪ್ರಕೃತಿ ನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಹಾಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಬ್ಬರಿಗೂ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.